Hi everybody and welcome back to the How to Game channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the AirDrop activation guide in your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let me take my private iPhone in here. Wait a moment, we need to do some modification. Here, as you can see, I do have the 16 Pro and 17 Pro Max. So now to use the AirDrop, at first we need to go on to the home screen over here. Scroll to the control panel from the top right corner and hold your finger on this AirDrop. Tap that, and here tap everyone for 10 minutes. Now we can, wait a moment, I need to do this on my iPhone 2, enter here, and wait a moment, I need to lower my brightness level, tap here and tap enable. Now we can go to the photos, for example here, tap on the photo that you want to send, tap this share and tap AirDrop. Here I should see this device on this list. Tap on your device over here, and now here tap on the AirDrop notification. But wait a moment, I need to unlock my iPhone first. Here, as you can see, we have the accept button. Tap accept, and now the file is being transferred. And as you can see, it's done. Goodbye.